Tired of juggling multiple cards for online purchases? Let's unlock a seamless payment experience by linking your Amex card to PayPal. First, head over to PayPal's website and log into your account. Make sure you have your Amex card handy, as you'll need some information from it. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods. Click on Link a Card or Bank. You'll typically see a plus sign icon. Click this button to add your American Express card. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your Amex card details. This includes your card number, expiration date, the security code on the back of your card, and your billing address. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. PayPal will pre-populate your billing address, confirm it's correct, or update it if needed to match your Amex statement. After entering your information, click Link Card. PayPal might make a small temporary charge to your card to verify it, but this will be refunded quickly once verified. Your Amex card will be successfully linked. Congratulations! You can now use your Amex card for online purchases and payments through PayPal. This gives you the security of PayPal with the rewards and benefits of your Amex card. Enjoy the convenience.